much is how is it?
500 and 300.
Which one is 5 and which is 3?
500 each.
Those are 5?
Yeah.
Come here.
And these are the 3.
Oh. Yes, please. We're just gonna ask if you have back. May I bring that? Alright, cool. Thank you. Two per bag?
Yeah, they're open like that.
Okay. Yeah, man, come with me. Which one do you want? You don't want to eat now? Alright, and I want that $100. I want 2 300 as well. Good? We ended up driving middle quarters. Wait, might as well why not knowing that don't forget about the smell. The smell up in here. Yeah, we drove through middle quarters to get some AC still on. Anyways, yeah, we drove through middle quarters to get pepper soup. So I'm excited. We just left Katama and it was such a good weekend. You guys would have seen the vlog by now. But definitely enjoyed my time there. I'm going back home now. Don't really know what I'm gonna be up to for the next couple weeks. Just work, you know, chilling. This is probably going to be the highlight of the rest of my week. Just so y'all know, for this vlog, the vlogs to come aren't going to be that exciting. This Vlogmas thing is hard, guys. Constantly vlogging like 24/7. It's a lot, but gotta do what you gotta do. Yo guys, when we were driving in, about 10 of them people around come. I try sell away. Like, oh my god. If you've been here before, I've always wanted to stop out here. I mean, I've been here before, but like years with my dad. But like, I always want to stop, but I just never know who to like get food from. Cause you know, you have like places like these and you have some that are like better than some. Like in terms of the food and everything. But yo, that moment of them I run out. I was just like, how do you even decide who to go with? I guess whoever pushes their food the furthest in your face. It's crazy.
When it's out.
Ooh.
Oh, wait there.
What'd you get?
It's too good to be true.
What's this?
So mommy, this is $400 and you're 300. That's $700.
I make you a
A
7.
serving of
I make you a 7.
Yes. Thank you very much.
What's your name?
My name is Michelle. The shop is Yam Yam Cook Shop, number 10.
Number
Yam,
10.
yes, so the big 10 right here.
Number 10. If you guys stopping here, you can visit number 10.
And it's Michelle, the only girl here with a Swiss teeth.
Thank you so much.
Blessing.
Bye. You're welcome. Well, yeah, this is going on today, so you guys know what day it is. But the weather nice.
Oh, so soon? You want to be making these trips with you, you know?
Whatever, man. But the weather nice, nice, like rice. Step out of my house and I say, oh, is this Portmore? It feels really good. It's really cool.
This is happening about 10:30 a.m. on Monday morning.
It's really cool, so I'm happy about that. Christmas breeze start reach way. But I'm heading to the supermarket, just going to pick up some quick things, like some fruits and milk and things that I can use to make like smoothies and stuff like that, and then come back. Just a quick little.
So you can't wait.
So
I wonder
annoying.
if you can't wait. You see me I come out before you wait till I try go around.
Yeah,
I
so
took my hand.
yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna start working out tonight as well. I'm gonna do my first workout tonight. This morning I did some stretches, like you guys would have seen. I did some yoga stretches and like meditated a little bit. And then tonight I'm gonna work out. I like working out in the night. I don't know why. I'm not like a morning workout person. But I do think I'm gonna try to do like fasted cardio, so maybe like doing jump ropes in the morning and then doing like the workout in the evening. So me putting this out there as well is me having to be accountable for it, because I really do need to start working out. I put on a lot of weight over the quarantine period because I've just found that my eating habits have gotten really bad, and when I do eat, I don't eat often enough, or even if I eat, my portion sizes are like bigger than they need to be. Everything is just really bad.
But then I let me know.
So, and then you asked me why you're in the vlog, right? Why they doing all of this while they know I'm vlogging? But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna start my workout tonight, because my thing is, this is something that I want to change, and this is the heaviest I've ever been. I'm not comfortable anymore with like my weight and all of that, so I'm gonna start working out, trying to tone up and thing. And I'm not waiting until January till the new year to get it done. You know, I'm doing it now, and I have a lot more time, so I can. So yeah. What?
Put it in the trunk then. I just
Okay. Starting to feel a lot like Christmas. Christmas lights, y'all. Okay, I'll be back. You know, guys, I was really doing well. I really was doing well until I picked up these two. But Haagen-Dazs was having like a thing, and I was just like, okay. This is my favorite flavor of ice cream, by the way. Strawberry cheesecake. If you're getting me ice cream, get me this flavor. And then I thought I'd try this because it's chocolate and it has hazelnut, and I love nuts in ice cream. But yeah, guys, everything else was good, you know? Healthy shit, fruits. I'm gonna cut these up and put them in the freezer for when I'm making my smoothies, and then I'll probably leave one of them out that I can just eat as is. And then I got these snack on and my regular oat milk. I love oat milk. This is the only milk I drink right now. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I do need to edit this and have it up for today. I promised you guys 3 videos back to back. One of my videos got deleted, so I didn't actually end up getting to edit it and put it up on YouTube. So I ended up putting up the Katima vlog that you guys would have seen yesterday early. It was actually supposed to come out today, but yeah, we're not complaining. But I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. I don't know what I'll be getting up to, honestly. Probably not much, but I promise you guys videos back to back, so I'm gonna give you guys videos back to back. Until tomorrow, guys, bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, you know. I don't know what y'all want to comment about. That's my noisy ass neighbors. And yeah.